If your gut microbiome is off balance, it can cause serious problems like anxiety, heartburn, chronic inflammation. Here are 7 ways to fix your gut health. 1. Try fasting. Fasting for 24 hours gives your gut a much-needed break. This allows the gut lining to heal without continuous irritation from food. Occasional fasts can significantly improve gut health and alleviate symptoms. 2. Limit alcohol intake. Alcohol leads to inflammation along the digestive tract and disrupts healthy bacteria. It destroys healthy bacteria and promotes the growth of unhealthy bacteria. To maintain a healthy gut, follow the golden rule. Drink responsibly. 3. Eat organic produce. Organic foods don't have pesticides like glyphosate found in Roundup. These chemicals don't discriminate between harmful bacteria and healthy gut bacteria. When possible, opt for organic produce to keep these chemicals out of your system. 4. Reduce carbs. Bad bacteria in your gut thrives off refined grains and sugars. Stick to easily digestible carbs like fruits, potatoes, raw honey, natural sourdough bread. This limits the stress your gut is under, reducing issues like inflammation and heartburn. 5. Eat fermented foods. Fermented foods are rich in probiotics that promote healthy gut bacteria. Support your gut by including these in your diet: kefir, kimchi, yogurt, pickles, kombucha. These foods help restore and maintain a balanced gut microbiome. 6. Drink bone broth. Bone broth is one of the best natural sources of collagen. Your body uses collagen to help soothe and repair the gut lining. Drink 1 to 2 cups of bone broth daily to bolster your gut's defenses and integrity. 7. Get more sunshine. Your gut's health isn't just based on what you eat. Studies show that UVB light from the sun increases the amount of good bacteria in the gut. These bacteria boost the immune system and support emotional well-being. Thanks for watching. If you learned something and want more on taking control of your health, then subscribe our channel.